everyone and welcome back to Simple Food. Today we are making an easy and creamy hard salami spread. It's quick, tasty and perfect for bread, crackers or even bagels. The full list of ingredients is right here on the screen and also in the description below. So grab your appetite and let's get started. Let's start with 2 eggs. Boil them for about 10 to 12 minutes until hard boiled. Now grab your salami. In our case we are using summer sausage. Grate it on the big holes so we get nice chunky pieces for the spread. Next, the onion. You can grate it right after the salami, chop it finely by hand or toss it into food processor if you want to save some time and avoid tears. Whichever way you choose, just add it straight into the bowl. It's going to add a nice kick of flavor to our spread. Now it's time for the eggs. Peel them, then grate them, chop them finely or give them a quick whirl in the food processor. The goal is little pieces that mix in nicely with the salami and onion for a creamy, flavorful spread. Next, let's add the cream cheese combo. 8 ounces of whipped and 4 ounces of regular, right into the bowl with the salami, onion and eggs. This will give the spread its rich flavor, and once we mix everything together, it's going to be perfectly smooth and spreadable. Now let's add some flavor. Sprinkling freshly ground black pepper for a little kick and pinch of salt. Taste as you go, so it's just right for you. Give everything a good stir, so the spices mix evenly with the eggs, salami, onion and cream cheese. And the spread starts coming together nicely. Time to finish mixing. If it feels too thick, add mayonnaise, a spoonful at a time, until reach a smooth, spreadable consistency. If you accidentally add too much, just balance it out with little extra salami. When it's all mixed, cover the bowl or transfer the spread into Tupperware. Pop it in the fridge for a few hours, serve on bread, crackers or bagels and enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more simple food recipes.